I'm gonna need help singing this. Yeah, somebody help me with this. Hey, and girl, you know I love to love ya. Because your love is that all that's I need. But you make it hard to love ya. And my heart can't seem to ever take it. Girl, you know I love to love ya. Because your love is that all that's I need. But you make it hard to love ya. And my heart can't seem to ever take it. Get it on. In the morning you wake me to say that you're leaving and you're gone till tomorrow. But you know I'll be waiting right. Hey, give me that biology on the dance floor. Hey, and all the trouble you give me, it seems that you're never gonna change for the better. Because you know I'll be waiting right here. Come in and say I love ya. Because your love is not all that to me. Why? To love ya. My heart can't seem to ever take it. I love to love ya. Because your love is not all that to me. Why? Don't you make it hard to love ya. My heart can't seem to ever take it. Hey. Things when we both know that things don't matter. But it seems you love to have me confused. Turn me up. And when you say that you're loving me, girl, that don't mean to start hurting me, girl. And when I tell you that I'm needing your love, it don't mean to start treating me like you don't care. Hey, everybody. I love to love ya. My heart can't seem to ever take it. You know I love to love ya. Because your love is that all that's I need. Why now? To love ya. Give it up for LG in the building. On top. What it is, Uncle, make some noise for yourself, buddy. What it is, Uncle? Tell me, honey, let me hear you, buddy. Tell me, honey. I replay that one time. But mama give me some time. She said she all on my songs and she digging my rhymes. I travel a whole lot, but try to shoot me your line. When I slide through your city, we can do what you like. I hustle. Grown man and your status is matching. Then your jeans make a who don't wanna grab me. When it's good, we can sip a little drink. Pull up to the club, baby, and blow a little day. Hold up, what you mean? He wants you back like that. Taking these little like cupcake, yeah, I get it live, no commercials or pre-rolls. Cool staying with a pocket of funds, hey. Hey, yeah, everybody put your hands up. Hey, Oakland, get your hands up. When I do things on life, and if you let me put you on, I'll get you on my height. Yeah, swag from my pops, cream of the crop. Bottom of the barrel to the top of my block. I'm doing it big, ma, I'm loving this life. Put that thing where it hurts and get the cutting in lights, you know. We skipping tracks, baby, slow, gentle, no beats. We getting tipsy in that scrape, singing no keys. So in about 30 more minutes, we can start with a boss, I'll shoot you backstage tickets. Spit that real school, ain't nothing like that group of love. And when that show is over, I'm all that you digging up. Hey! Bring that back, say that back that you said in that track. Taylor, hey, okay, hey, Taylor. I'm waiting on you, I'm glued to the phone, thought you already knew. I can't get over you. Got your song stuck on replay every, hey. I'm waiting on you, got me glued to the phone, thought you already knew. Hey, I can't get over you. So let's go with me. I've been waiting for you. Hey, where my homies at? Where my ladies at? Hey, so where my ladies at? Hey. Oakland, make some noise for yourself, man. We appreciate the opportunity, for real. Thank Thank you, man, for real, thank you. Make some noise for my boy Uce Juice. Sacramento, man. Make some noise, man.